They just happy and come around my food and they bark. But they beg some food. They really want me to feed, but they don't want to be like nice or gentle to ask for food. They just come running and barking. That's so beautiful. Hey, you, come on, good boy, good boy. Oh, that's German Shepherd. That's this dog is belong to the head monk. You want some food, eh? You want some food? Sorry, sorry. I have sore throat. Sorry. Let's come here. You want me to feed? You want me to feed you? Just come here a little bit. Come here. That boy is so big. He's about maybe 40 or 50 kilo. When you look from this video, it seems small, but it's not small. That big boy. You want me to feed? Okay, I will give you some chicken. That's some chicken. You want some chicken, right? I have some food here. Today I cooked some salmon chicken, salmon fish skin, like a skin of salmon. They love it. You want some? That's boy, cute boy, so good boy. Okay. When I'm coming to feed my stray pagoda animals, so they belong to the head monk, and they stay here at the front, and they always comes and stop me, and they want some food. No, you already. Just give your friend first. Give your friend, okay. If you want some, just stand up. Here, the food here. Hello boy. Okay, so they are coming. Oh, they saw me. Just feed them here, and then they are coming. Oh, so cute. They have short leg, and then they are so cute. Hello, girl. Oh. So I just give them some chicken. You want some more? Good boy. Yeah. Here. Good boy. Okay, I have to go. I have to go to feed the others, so you have to wait. When I'm coming back, they always come and bark to me. It means it's their language that they say, that they want to say, just give me some chicken, but they don't want to say like gentle, like, but they bark. It's their language. They're so cute. So, they follow me. Oh, I have to go to feed. Thank you. See you, boy. See you. You see here? She's barking. What do you want? What do you want? I know. Okay. So I have to go. That's my stray pagoda cats that I'm feeding every day. Makan ma. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. That's my dogs, stray pagoda dog that I'm feeding every day. They stay here. No one care about food, and no one care about the house that I'm feeding and care every day. And you know, in this pagoda they living in 3 parties, and the dog that living with the head monk is belong to the head monk, and then he love them and they have enough food. But for me, for my pagoda animal, they don't have food, so I have to take care and feed. It's what I do every day. This boy is so cute. I love him a lot. I gave him vaccination already. They are waiting, as you see. Okay, so now I'm coming to feed them because they are hungry. It's time. This food that I bring for them, that I have biscuit and I have rice and fish and also some spare chicken for them. So this is what I feed them every day. Why you sniff? He looks so itchy, but I gave him some medicine treat make ticks flee, so he just feel itchy his ear. That cat is crying for food. You hear? He's crying for food. Okay. This boy chase only this one, and the other cat he doesn't chase them. He chase only the trouble one because he doesn't want this boy making trouble to the other. He's very clever. You see him? He always chase this one. This one. No, no, no. He loves to protect the other cats, but you see, he just chased that one. He just going to chase that one. He means he doesn't want him to make trouble to the other. That's very good boy. He knows. He follow him. Okay, so now it's time for me to feed them. No. So thank you so much for watching video from my YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe to have more video. Thank you. See you in the next video.